Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you
how to favorite a product on DHgate. So if you're scrolling through DHgate and you find a product that you like, I'm going to just simply open up this product right here. And in order to favorite the product, all we have to do is look to the lower left hand side and you'll find a heart. It says favorite. You tap on that and that's going to favorite the product. Alternatively, if you're just scrolling through without opening a product, you can also favorite a product as well by simply clicking on the heart on the upper right hand side of the picture, and this is going to allow you to favorite the product. Now if you want to find your favorites, you can simply go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side and you can go to my favorites from there, and this is where you'll find your favorites. Another way how you can actually do that is if you click your account on the lower right hand side, you'll find my favorites there and you can click on that and it's going to take you to your favorites as well. And that's pretty much it, guys.